Hey everybody, it's Scott from National Cycle and ZTechnik. Today we're back in our studio. Today we'll be working on this brand new 2024 BMW F900 GS. Great looking bike, great for off-road and on the road. We're going to upgrade the windshield, put a new VStream on there, give you great protection going on the road for any adventure you may have. Let's go ahead and get started. Included in the kit is your windshield, 4 rubber washers with adhesive backing, and 4 metal washers. All right, let's get started. So all you need to do is remove the 4 mounting bolts here with your T25 Torx head bit. You want to hold on to the bolts. The bolts will be reused. And once you remove the windshields, you want to remove these 4 little T-hats here. I'm going to reuse those. The grommets that are in the windshields will not be reused. To get started, you want to take one of the rubber-backed adhesive washers and attach it to the flat piece on the standoff here. We're going to do that all 4 of these metal standoffs. Okay, now we're going to prep the windshield. So we're going to take that metal standoff piece with the rubber washer installed and install it on your new screen. We'll be installing the short dark tint screen, but this will work for all 3 sizes of windscreens available for this model. Then you want to take the original bolt and the metal washer that came in the hardware kit and line up your new windshield and tighten it down. Like with all windshields, you want to leave these along the loose side. So if you need to make any adjustments, you can easily do so. And then tighten them down with the T25 Torx. The nice thing that is about the compression limiter is actually used in here in that little standoff piece. Actually, it will tell you once you get it nice and when you start getting it snug, you'll start feeling the resistance of it tightening down on that part, and that's will tell you, when you should stop trying to tighten it down, so you don't over tighten this product. All right, there you have it. Simple install, 4 simple bolts, 5 minutes at your time, and make a big impact to the bike. You have 3 different sizes available for you, so every rider's height can be covered and get great protection going down the road. So if you have questions about this product or any products by National Cycle and ZTechnik, visit our website, nationalcycle.com. And also be sure to visit us on our social medias, on Facebook, Instagram, and on YouTube for any videos about this one and other videos of other products that we offer. Until next time, enjoy your ride.